My name is Joseph Etim. I'm the founder of Young People Connect Africa. I'm a brand and media expert. I'm a communications consultant. Yeah.
Okay, so where do you see the branding and media industry going in the nearest future?
Where I see the branding and media industry in the nearest future, well, I believe that the industry is already very lucrative, but then I believe that in the nearest future, those that will be rewarded for their time on this space would be those that are able to buy more attention and attract, more people to what they are doing. So,
Yeah. So what would you have done differently?
Nice question. If I could go back to time, one of the things I would try to do is to learn faster, to pay for more knowledge, to acquire more knowledge, to connect with more people, and just basically become human more. Yeah.
Okay, building up on that, what are your daily habits of the day that got you to the place you are right?
My daily habits and routines. Well, I think one of the things that helped me is I think I've learned and mastered how to focus on the tasks. So if I'm doing something, I always like to pay more attention to what is more important. I don't allow things that are just nice to do to distract me. So that's one of the things that helped me in my daily routine. Just focus on what is most important.
Splendid. So as a young person, what should I be doing to improve my career?
As a young person, what you should be doing to improve your career? Learning, doing more research, mentorship, access to quality mentorship. These are things that are not always said enough. So there are things that as a young person, you wouldn't really know that they exist. For instance, the level of information that you don't really have access to, you may not have access to. There are possibilities that you may not know that they exist until you go into deep research, you connect with people, access to quality mentorship, and people that would really tell you that this is how it can be done and this is how you shouldn't just, try it. But then being open to learning from people, doing the work, and just enjoying the process and not being under pressure to become somebody else. Yeah.